What's up guys, Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook page for complete beginners. This is 2018 edition, so I'm going to give you a complete Facebook page tutorial rundown here. Now if you go through and you're in business nowadays, it's really important to have a Facebook page. One, because it's 100% free and it's really easy to go create. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Two, you can run Facebook ads, which if you do it the right way, it can be very profitable for your business. And three, you're able to go through and reach a huge audience, a huge market where you might not have been able to reach otherwise. So guys, right here we are on Facebook, right? And you guys can see I've got my newsfeed all blocked off. But in order to go through and create a Facebook page, all we got to do is come up here to the top right hand corner, and you're gonna see this dark blue drop down area. Okay, now you can see I've got actually a lot of pages right here already, so you can actually create as many pages as you want. But in order to create a new page, what you're gonna do is come over here to create page, and it's gonna walk you through this step-by-step tutorial. Now this is extremely easy. Facebook holds you by the hand, basically step by step. And they first say, hey, what type of Facebook page you want to create? Are you a local business or place, a company, a brand? Or you just wanted to make a public figure one? So like if you're trying to brand yourself, I like to go with that one. It's an entertainment page, or cause, or community. Now for this example, let me just say we're gonna go through and brand you as the individual, right? So we're just gonna click on this public figure one. Okay, so it says choose a category. So what type of public figure do you want to be? Like, are you an entrepreneur? Are you a dancer, a comedian, author? Like, it has all these different options right here. So for this, I'm just gonna say I am an entrepreneur, because that's what I am. And you come through here and say you can put in your name. All right, and so like right here, let's say you are a realtor, you're in the real estate niche. Sometimes it's nice to say like, hey, I'm a Dallas realtor, or Orlando or Phoenix realtor. So you kind of say like where you're located, and then also the profession. So then somebody, if like they see your post and they have no idea who you are, they can get a quick idea of who you are and what business you're in. All right, so for this one, I'm just gonna say demo example. I've already got my own personal Facebook page, just says Jason Wardrop, so I don't really want to confuse it with that. So what we're gonna do is just click get started. It's gonna take us through to the next step of this whole process. And guys, this is so easy to go through and do. So it says, okay, add a profile picture, help people find your page by adding a photo. Okay, now you can either skip it or upload a profile picture. So I've already got one right here on my desktop. This is kind of just my classic profile picture. We'll hit open, upload. One key thing on this, guys, what I would highly recommend is going through, and if you have a profile picture that you use on other like LinkedIn or Instagram, on other sources, it's good to have the same profile picture across all your social media accounts, because then people are able to see like, okay, that's that same person. And especially if you have a name like, for example, Jeff Johnson, where that's kind of a common name, where you can see like, okay, that's the same person, and they're not getting all confused. All right, now what you can do is says upload a cover photo. So to add a cover photo, I want to show you guys really quick how you guys can create 100% free easy cover photo. Even if you don't have any design skills, it doesn't cost any money. So sometimes like you'll have a cool looking picture from, maybe let's say you're a realtor of a listing that you have, or maybe a cool scenery shot. But if you don't have that, what I like to use is a site called Canva. So canva.com. And the cool thing is you can see right here, I have all these different pictures and stuff that I've gone through and create. So what you could do is come over here to more. And this is after you go through and log in, create your account. And it's, like I said, guys, 100% free, very easy to use. Then what we're gonna do is come down here, and they have all of these pre-built sizes, because like each social media platform, they have their pre-built sizes, and you want to be able to make sure it matches up with whatever that size is. So right here you have the Facebook cover. Okay, now it already says it's 820 by 312 pixels, which I'm assuming that's right just because it's already pre-built in here. We come in here, we click on that, and then we're able to start with a clean slate right here. Okay, or we can come in here and say, okay, we want to go through and use this template or this one, or we've got all these different templates that we can go through and use right here. And there's a couple of them. You can see most of them say free over here. It's like, for example, this one right here, this is free. But if there's ones that they cost like $1 or something like that, it's probably because I'm trying to find, they've got a ton of free ones now. If it costs $1, typically it's just because of the image that they're using. All right, so for example, let's just come in here. Let's use, no, I like that other one. Let's use that other one that I had. Okay, so if we scroll up, actually let's just use this one right here. Okay, so we come in here and we could just say, hey, you know, Jason, and then maybe we'll just throw the last name in here, make it look all cool. So we've got Jason Wardrop, and then you could put like, you know, your business or kind of like your niche that you focus on, like if you're a realtor, a dentist, or whatever type of business you're in, right? An entrepreneur, e-commerce store owner, whatever it is. And then you come in and you can upload pictures from Google, from your desktop, from whatever it is, and just throw it in here. So it's not this like random picture of a building. Okay, so we can come in here, like maybe we come over here, throw that in there, and you can make it so it's like, okay, it's black and white, or we can change the filter. Let's just maybe make it normal right there. And this is good for now. So we can just say, and guys, cool thing is you can drag and drop this all around. Very simple, very easy to use. And we'll just hit download here, and then we'll come back to this part right here where it says add a cover photo, and we're just gonna upload it. All right, so if we come back, let's actually drag this to my desktop really quick here. And if we come back to my Facebook page, upload a cover photo, this should be right there on my background. Okay, right here, guys. So we just hit open, and it just goes through, uploads it, and then now we have created our Facebook page. Now look at this, guys. The cool thing is Facebook walks you through hand by hand, like, and shows you the next steps. Okay, now let's invite your friends. So now what you can do, and I'm not going to do this because this is more of a demo Facebook page, but I can go through and I can start just click invite, and invite all of my friends. You can say see all friends and go through and click and invite all of your different friends. Okay, now once you're done with that, it obviously shows you, okay, here's how you go through, publish, create a post. And what I like to do typically is make a post about yourself. Okay, so do like a little bio. So let me just show you guys what my Facebook page looks like. Is I've got, so this is kind of my Facebook cover photo, which I showed you guys we made, my profile picture. And then down here I actually have another spot where I've got a picture of myself, and then I've got a little quick bio on me, who I am as a person. So you know, hey, welcome to my Facebook page, my name is Jason Wardrop, and then I've got kind of like a little picture of me again. Okay, so you can come in here, throw another picture of you. So let's see right there, and tell a little bit about yourself. Hey, I'm a realtor in the Dallas area. Hey, I run an e-commerce store. Hey, I have an Amazon. So whatever business you're in, and you just hit publish. And then what you can do is, because kind of like a normal newsfeed, once you have other posts, it's gonna pop down to the bottom. What you can do here is just come over here to these three little buttons and just say, hey, pin to the top of the page. So kind of how I've got this up here at the very top, even though I posted it back in 2016, it's now 2018, that will still remain at the top. So kind of a cool little way to brand yourself. And then you can come here, you can see all these different things of add a short description, tell a little bit about what your Facebook page is about, what business you're in. You can also come over here and add a button. So like this is a call to action button. So like saying, hey, do you want someone to contact you? Do you want them to go to your website? Do you want to join like a Facebook group? So we could just say, hey, I want them to contact me, and I want them to send me a Facebook message, because that's kind of non-invasive, right? Like not everyone nowadays is actually gonna pick up the phone and call you or send an email. So we'll just hit that, we'll say Facebook Messenger, okay, and then we go through and finish that. And so now they click on this, it's gonna go through and send a Facebook message to this Facebook page. Now it's not gonna pop up right here because this is your personal profile messages, but it's gonna go through and be a message to this actual Facebook page. All right, now guys, I think that's kind of a quick rundown of everything that you need to know about how to create, how to make a Facebook page for your business, the complete tutorial right here. So if you guys do have any other questions, make sure you drop a comment down below. I'm more than happy to answer them, but you can see how simple and easy it is to go make a Facebook page for your business here in 2018. This is the updated version of going through and setting this up for your business. So if you guys have any questions, drop down below. Also, if you guys found this helpful, give a thumbs up. And also, if you are brand new to this channel, my name is Jason Wardrop, and make sure you subscribe, because I launch a new video every single day, how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. All right, so thanks so much for watching today, guys, and I will see you all tomorrow.